I want you to hear this. Moisture. Hello queens, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, thank you so much for clicking. So I get so many comments physically and even on my socials about how this natural hair thingy works. Some sisters have even given up and even concluded that their hair might never grow. And this is a lie. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a moisturizing routine that will help in retaining length and also retaining moisture in your natural hair. If you're on natural hair, you're supposed to understand that naturally, natural hair gets dry. And dried natural hair leads to shedding, breakage, thinning, and so many other negative vibes. So, to start off, my hair is already washed. So if your hair was not washed but it is neat or it is getting dried, this routine is also for you. It's not only when you wash your hair that you need to incorporate this routine. Even when your hair is dry, even when you're on protective hairstyles, you should do this routine because natural hair dries out. Believe me or not, natural hair dries out. Very easy to dry out. I've tried to leave my hair for days before and I know what my eyes saw. So firstly, to start this routine, you will need to spritz your entire head with water. I'm saying head because this water needs to get to your scalp, it needs to get to your ends, it needs to get to the body of your hair. So you'll be spritzing your entire hair with water, and before you do this, you need to section your hair. One of the reasons why some natural hair sisters get so confused is that they want to do their hair all at the same time. It's not possible, especially when your hair is as full as mine or fuller than mine. You will need to section. Sectioning is one important thing you have to have at the back of your mind when you are trying to moisturize your hair. If your hair was already on twist or you were on one protective hairstyle that you won't need to section your hair, then lucky you. But sis, if you just jumped out of the shower after shampooing your hair, then I'm sorry, you will have to do your sectioning. Another thing I found out about some natural hair queens is that they're actually lazy to do this. I had a couple of people saying, please, you spend so much hours combing, detangling, and doing all those. But sis, you need to put in effort to enjoy your natural hair. After spritzing this section of my hair, I'm going to be going in with an oil. Feel free to go in with any oil. Go in with castor oil, go in with coconut oil. Most times I make use of my homemade oil after adding everything in this world I can add. After adding amla, fenugreek, rosemary. If you go through my videos, you will know that I love making hair oils and hairspray. So what does the oil do? The oil actually seals in moisture. I don't know if I told you about the conditioner because I've been talking too much, so I think I skipped that part. After spritzing your hair with water, you are supposed to go in with conditioner. If your hair is full, please try and go in with a humongous amount of conditioner, humongous amount of water, and a lot of oil so that this moisture can sit in. If you are being gentle with product usage, I'm sorry, you might not be able to get your hair moisturized for up to a week or two. So most times this moisturizing routine lasts me for up to a week. Here is a pro tip, sisters. To keep your hair moisturized for a longer period, add humectants like vegetable glycerin or aloe vera gel to your water. Now, what are humectants? Humectants are ingredients in hair products that add moisture to hair by attracting water molecules from the air. They make the hair softer, more elastic, and less likely to break. They also can define curls. Other common humectants aside vegetable glycerin and aloe vera include urea, hyaluronic acid, the panthenol, and niacinamide. Honey can also be used as a humectant, which is why most times when I'm doing my deep conditioning, I never miss adding honey to whatever deep conditioner I'm using. This is because honey also helps in retaining moisture. So if you've not been using honey in your deep conditioner, please start adding honey to your deep conditioner. Even if your deep conditioner is already a product, you can just add honey to it. It's not going to harm your hair in any way because I've been doing it and I've not had any complaints whatsoever. Now, some of you sisters might be wondering how exactly moisturizing natural hair can help it thrive. Well, I'll gist you. Moisturizing keeps your hair smooth and defined. It keeps its texture smooth, bouncy, and defined. Moisturizing restores growth protein into your hair follicles, which can help hair grow faster. It reduces breakage, which hinders growth. It also increases hair strength and elasticity. And last but not the least, moisturizing can help reduce tightness and irritation. I'm going to give some pro tips for moisturizing natural hair. Please don't tell anyone I told you. The first tip is to use the LCO or LOC method. In this video, as you can see, I'm using the LCO method, which is water, cream, and oil. That's the step in which I applied them, if you were paying attention when I started the video. LCO involves layering liquid, cream, and oil, and this helps retain water in your hair. The second pro tip I'll be giving is sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase. This can help your hair retain moisture because these fabrics don't absorb as much moisture as cotton. Use a moisturizing shampoo. Avoid overwashing your hair. This can be really damaging. And then apply moisturizer every 3 to 7 days. Doing this every 3 to 7 days is usually the best to avoid build up. So after doing the whole LCO method, applying leave-in conditioner, applying oil, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply oil on my scalp, guys. Do not forget to apply oil on your scalp. This is because this is where your hair actually grows out from. Whenever you are doing your LCO method and you are done applying oil, conditioner to your hair, please go back and start applying on your scalp, because your scalp in fact, your scalp is the most important when it comes to LCO. I'm not asking you to ignore others, but please. Moisture. So the next thing you'll be doing after your LCO is to massage. This is another pro tip, guys. I'm collecting $1 from every single one of you. Massage your scalp. So many natural hair sisters, when I ask them, do you massage your scalp? They're like, nah, I just apply products and I'm out. Please take your time. Give yourself 3 to 4 minutes to massage your scalp. And if you can give it more than those minutes, if you have enough time, please massage your scalp. Massaging has helped me grow my hair over time. I'll be showing you a clip of when I first started natural hair. Maybe I'll just drop the clip somewhere, I don't know. So when I'm done with the whole process, I'll be packing my hair back up. Do not leave your hair down like that to dry out. No, don't do that. Just pack your hair with your hair packer. I love using this hair packer because it doesn't soak my moisture. It's like rubber. I don't know. I've been looking for it. Guys, if you know where I can get it, please let me know. I don't like the fabric kind of hair packer. I prefer this one. So if you know where I can get it, because it's the only one I have, please let me know. Thank you in advance. So this is how my hair looks like after moisturizing my hair. I feel so happy because dry hair is going to make you sad. What am I even saying? So guys, yeah, I'm done moisturizing my hair and this is how my hair looks like. So the next thing you want to do is to actually cover your hair with a satin or silk bonnet. I don't know why I'm already saying bye to you people and telling you to subscribe, but please subscribe, like, share to your friends and family. But I think there's a part of this clip that is showing where I'm supposed to tie hair exactly. So do not forget to tie your satin scarf or wear your satin or silk pillowcase. Like I mentioned as a second pro tip, it helps to moisturize. All right guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.